Standard Chartered Bank has been publishing RMB index for years. In the first quarter of this year, we've seen 14% increase of RMB index. That was based on the 10.4% already increased in 2020. So this is a major significant increase of RMB index. Majority of the companies that have international exposure can benefit from Yuan settlement, especially those companies in the industry of EPC, trade, including e-commerce companies, and also manufacturing companies for export. Those companies can clearly benefit from Yuan settlement. And in terms of the markets, of course, and the road markets, there was an increase in RMB settlement in that markets. I think especially ASEAN countries, I can see increasing willingness to accept Yuan as a settlement currency. In recent years, the Chinese economy has been very strong, especially the quick recovery from COVID. So that means the RMB has been very stable as a settlement currencies. So that's one of the major reason for the willingness, increasing willingness to accept RMB as a settlement currency. So everybody wants to talk about RMB internationalization, but we think that is more result-oriented. We would like to talk more about RMB ecosystem, because this is not just about settlement. Ahead of that, we've seen the infrastructure. We've seen the currency swap between the central banks, and also the counterparties' willingness to accept RMB as settlement currencies, for example. And even ahead of that, there was an RMB denominated contract, and also the investment convenience. If they hold RMB, how convenient they can deploy the RMB into different markets. There are a lot of channels to encourage foreign investors to deploy their RMB. For example, CIBM, for example, Bond Connect. This is all the ecosystem. So RMB internationalization, we believe, is based on, depends on the readiness of infrastructure, and also the richness of RMB ecosystem.